Hello, friends. Today we will review another book, The Art of Talking to Anyone by Rosalie Maggio. I will discuss three chapters from the book. The first chapter is about introduction, it's about how to strike a conversation with anyone in the party. So, when you are going to a party, make sure you are going with positive mindset, you are excited, you are going to meet some couple of people. If you know some people, make a plan what kind of conversation you are going to hold with those people, what are their interests. If you know about something, always have some topics to discuss. Maybe you can go to the newspaper, find out 10 hot topics you can discuss with people, or maybe you can see what is trending on the Google, find that all the trends topic. Another thing she talks about is open body language. When you go to the party, make sure your body language is open. You have arms open, you are smiling, you are open to the people. Another interesting point she gives is that conversation is like a tennis. You have to make sure the ball is always in the air. So when somebody is doing some when somebody is doing some conversation, ask questions, make sure you are showing interest. And the difficult when I started talking to the people in a party, the difficult part for me was how to end the conversation. So when in a party, you can always say, okay, I'll need to fill my glass of juice, wine, water, whatever you're drinking, or you can go for some food. Sometime I will say I need to talk to some other people, say hi to them, and I say I'll see you later. Maybe you can, if you know some people and other person doesn't know any person in the party, you can introduce him to some other people, and then you can leave to meet other people. Boring guy. The second chapter I liked was, are you a boring person? What are the signs of a boring person? The signs of boring person: A, you talk endlessly, you try to monopolize the conversation. As we discussed earlier, a good conversation is a tennis. You have to make sure always ball is the air, and other one also gets chance to play the game. If you are monopolizing the conversation, you are boring. Why I was boring? I used to talk about topics which I was interested without finding out whether other person is also interested in that topic. And if you are always talking about your interest, about yourself, you are going to be very boring. The interesting conversationals make other people talk, make other people to talk about themselves. So you are boring if you put yourself down, if you have a low self. Nobody likes to talk to a person who have low self esteem. Are you negative? Are you complaining? So these are all signs of a boring person. The third chapter I liked was how to have conversation in the office. She recommends in office you should be brief and superficial, because in office nobody pays you to do gossiping, do useless conversation. You are supposed to produce work and get paid if it is not related to your work. So make sure especially in the office, you are brief, superficial, you are always positive, you are complimenting other people, you are making other people feel good. You go and welcome the new guys, make them comfortable. She gives list of the topics you can discuss in the office. You can discuss about games, you can discuss about vacation, restaurants, food. Never discuss any controversial topic. No, don't discuss politics. So if you are to USA, this chapter gives you a nice list of the things you can talk in the office and the things you should never talk in the office. So friends, if you like the review of this book, do watch my other book reviews in business books playlist. Also, like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel for your regular updates. Connect with me on LinkedIn and Twitter, especially LinkedIn. If you like small summaries of the video, I will be posting a lot of small summaries of the video on LinkedIn. Thanks again.